Check your tickets. We have lots and lots of prizes left, but we have no more room on the board to write any numbers. So if you haven't checked your tickets, we drew like $10. So we can get that done also. They're right in front of us.
Meep, meep. Might be a while.
Look alive, Mel.
Look alive, look alive. Good little turnout.
Very nice.
I spent it quite make sure to have plenty of room and makes it look bigger.
You know, he has little, you know, kitchen things about, you know, like we have to make your room. They make it pretty over there. I've been trying to allow them.
The whole party?
I've been there. You blow your nose like this and the sand comes out of your ears. When I was wearing a helmet, how did the sand get in my ears?
Slow down, Dad.
Hold it down, guys, would you? Studebaker.
Seems like so close together.
There's some nice birds here.
Very nice. Couple really nice ones, yeah. Nice nomad.
Do you see come over and look at it?
Nice dog.
Young.
Duesenberg.
Oh, are your feet tired?
Richie Klein's.
Everybody. Kenny says, my feet hate me right now. Kenny was with you? Yeah.
What are you doing thinking about putting big dogs like that?
Woof, woof. All right, girls, there's nothing to see, nothing to see.
Let's keep it moving, keep it moving.
Nothing to see. We'll keep going.
Did Whiskey come out today?
Yeah.
I didn't see him.
I'm still currently out of my shop. My mouth opens every time I sit there. You guys watch out.
Slowing it down.
Watch out who you're riding.
And you turn the corner down here, we'll go down that.
Here.
Yeah, you can, yeah, right here. and then we'll go down there and that's it. I knew he was going to do that.
Little boy, that wasn't funny.
That's art too. Boy, he's a terrible
Role
terrible
model,
boy.
yeah.
And there are 2 tickets. How much? $150. Now 2. Now I'm going to give 200, sir. Now I'm going to give 2. You're out. Now I'm going to give $200. Now I'm going to give 200. 200 there. Now I'm going to give 2. Now I'm going to give 2. Now I'm going to give 2. Sir, as your auctioneer, thank you to the Goldstrom family for having me out. There he is. There's Mr. Goldstrom. Now I'm going to give 2, thank you. Now 3, now I'm going to give 300, now I'm going to give 250. Now I'm going to give them up $250, 250, 300, sir. Now I'm going to give 3, now I'm going to give them up 300, lower bowl, 2 tickets. Now I'm going to give 300, 250 bid. Now 3, now I'm going to give 300 bid on last call. 300 is bid, thank you. Now 2. Now, is there any wine in that one? Could be.
No, and it's a Christmas basket, so it's mine.